A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and make a get straight into this. Alright? So, I have a guy. He have a baby mother out here, but he must say, no matter how him try if he make things work, it not working. I'm a 60-year-old living in Buffalo, New York. I look for come back to Jamaica, second long. He might look for a nice, decent lady. But first, he want sharing story. And you guys can listen and say if I'm your type, and you can reach out if you want him number. Alright, 876-277-3254, that's my number. WhatsApp me or call me. Alright? And also we have the talk show from last night. Alright guys, so we're if I mix up a thing, and every night I go get one story with drama, and I get story with this, Yeah man. We have stories coming up, but just go on patient. And we know how to drop them. Alright, so enjoy the channel. And I'm very disappointed with the likes on the video. You cannot get 10,000 views on a video and I get 800 likes. Not per MIXUP Boss channel. At least we're supposed to get on the video 2,000 likes. When I talk too much, I could drive and listen.
Second man, I'm tell you I meet this woman at Jamaica scene. I have a garage and I have a shop. And she rent a shop cross here from my shop and think I must rent out my shop on the front of Maninsley Road. Cross here from Rompton, so she said to me, she bother me, I said to me, boy, she a woman and it's like, say, boy, they have a bar and I rent it out and she have to pay rent. So I started take it and help herself. Because when we meet her, I said, I feel for pay half her rent. My rent was 10,000, she live even there. And I pay 5 every month and I said, take the shop help herself and still, you see me, so anyhow, fast forward, she move on, we come and go to 2013, we go somewhere and come and for it. You see me? And I don't find out when I go down every year, because for 6 months I come out from my mother, then I have to go down back. Because I never come to stay, because I don't right at Jamaica, because I live better life at Jamaica, I live at foreign until this day, I don't lie to you. You see me? But I just go and cut it out. But when I get to work during the 6 months, I get my green card, because I get my green card the first one, I get a 10 year. It just up like last year, you see me, I renew it back. So I 11 years there now. So an idea now come embassy call me 3 times. No, I don't want to go there, so leave it. So an idea now, when I come out far now, I go down back every year and go link her up, and when that time I come out far, I'm 52. You see me, I say, so while I visit her now, I go so boom bang and she got church. Say she when I meet her, I tell her, I say, I don't believe in Christianity now, because Christianity I meet, you see me. And look, I say anything you want to do, I come from nobody's life, say up to you. So I say, if you feel like you want to be a Christian, tell me, because I'm supposed to make up my mind, because I tell you I'm stay already. Right. So that means up to me that I want to stay or I want to leave. So she never tell me. So I continue to go down and go and come, and she got church on the rock them time. I go up there with her, see him, you see me? Because she have a little baby for me. And I go so be man, I go up there with her, I say, baby, and I roll, see me, then she start got the church cross over Pastor Davis. I remind me, I listen to Pastor Davis, because that man they preach real, you see me? Because I listen to real people, straightforward people. So an idea now, she goes so boom bang, and when I'm there for her, I go down, I go and roll same way. She get pregnant, and we go on, and then you know. She goes up in my side, got a wood church, come on, got a Cassie. You ever go Cassie? Come on, I really do that, so. Yeah. She started her Cassie's sister church. And from she started got a church, because Sunday church, I'm really good. And from she started got a 7-day church, brother, I tell you. She turned a witch, bro. You want to tell me, say no.
She started going 7-day church?
Brother, she turned a witch, brother. Boom, bang, me did and from 28, me go there from 2020, me say, boy, me go there. Then I go to hotel, because my daughter go all boat, because I look at daughter, I love her, so I bring her to hotel. Every birthday, me go down and carry them all boat, and she did it. Never touch her. No problem to her, brother. Go on, because she said, no sex until married. And I said, well, if you're married, me get married too, but me not go to church. Say, I won't follow you, but me not go in a religion thing, you see me. But and she still answers, I said, boy, she want a man of them can pray together and this to that together, and then can me say, brother.
So that after that I said, woman, you and her have a baby together and everything.
Yeah, man, and she see what me at that woman, and she said, switch got 7-day, you got a 7-day church from the Sunday church. When the Sunday church, everything get good. And probably she got a 7-day church, brother, she told her, devil, brother, boom, bang. She get pregnant. When she pregnant, I'm going to be man, I go down, I have one, I have one. Donald Trump give me 2 million. Donald Trump give me 20,000 US in the in the pandemic. Because nobody never that works every month. They send me money. Then give me first month. Then give me 8,000. Second month 20,000. So there's some goddamn time. The second month then give me 13,000. So them time now come me look at when they come and find a brother pay a bounce one and pin them come with that. So you see me I say and all them things. So pay fucker go on a long run. So but me just pass that. So when I did know the lady now. Boom bang I'm go so I say more buy salad now come have 1.8 million and I say more get salad and go on and I can go and preserve it and she said was me suck up she small she about 4 foot something you see me. When the baby big now I say she struggle with the baby and I say yeah me. In my heart I say I buy her a car and I make go and drive it and carry the picnic through the picnic I pull her down because she never have a car to sell it you see me. Boom bang she go on until then I said to myself say boy I hear me. So I go on, but she go on to the thing, and I say, all right. She said, boy, you never do know. I say, it's like, come on, buy land, and she said, boy, we can't sell the car and buy the land, you see me? And I said, that makes sense, because, you know what I say? When you're ready to buy land, so I say, all right, so we buy the car, and I say, no, buy that car, one for me. Because I buy 2 cars for $1 million and change, you see me? I'm going to say, boom, bang, and the lady, I say, yeah, hear me? Just go on, me I go make up and buy next one. The time come, she can't come with fair money. So I must go and make she go and rule that one. But do you hear me doing? I buy the card or her name. So I buy the card or her name now and after she start change up on me now, she will look on and tell me, say, boy, the car a gift. So I say, who tell them things that you tell me that? The car wasn't a gift. He said the agreement was that we're going to sell the car and make up buy a land and ready to buy land. Because you have a kid for me and the thing after the little kid, you see me come here, so I put them big and gone already. That's she alone and Hercules one because me and her, you see me. And but I tell you, say, John, the man start bringing all kind of people, all kind of story, and I said, boy, so I say, your friend of your church, I tell you that, because most of them tell you, say, I give. I say, me never talk about give. Boom, bang, and she did go on, and I came in all over the place. I'm just going easy myself, brother. Because I already know, say, you can't just take people things, and not approve. You say, me, I say, right now, I can't take care of her now, right now, but you look at that, I must make sure go on, because I have a receipt of me buy the car for 5,500 US, I send go give her cash. And my son carry it, you see me? So I'm saying, I'm afraid of me, I tell her shit, people don't sit down and listen to people, and I'm tell people bullshit and take my things. I'm saying, all right, you know, give me the shop and go and take the car then. She don't want to come out of the shop. She don't want to come out, she don't want to give me the car. So I said, go out the car and give me the shop. She's still not the shop until today. And I said, brother, when I'm saying a person not come out TV for things, you come see the things them. You say me, I say, you never know how me get them. And you come and come just hold on for my things, brother. You know, fix up the shop, you know, do nothing to the shop. You know, for over nearly 20 years in the shop. Because the shop is finished 30 years now, brother. Right on the front, they say, you know. And I tell you, I used to be my office and thing back in the day, my dad, Jamaica, and I go and run my garage, you see me.
The shop, how no one pop down if I so long?
I mean, I tell them, man, the shop, what do I do? I tell them, man, we go check it now, fix it up. But I tell them, come out, but she don't want to come out, you see me. So I tell her, I say, I soon come up, and go and fix up my garage and go on my business, because I'm a man that used to fix my floor and everything now, do mechanic work, you see me. I never work with my dad, Jamaica.
Like sharing the business, you benefit her, as in she take care of the youth, because remember you say she have a youth here.
Youth, as I said that, brother, up to last week gone, I told 37,000 I send go gear. I don't stop take care of my youth. Because I say, I don't beg nothing. Every morning, I say, give me $5 grand out tight for you put on a 8-year-old. 10 grand, 5 grand, I send go gear. So buy a little snack. She can't go baptize at church. I'm going to pick your show. I take the money at your offering at church, brother. I say, at 8-year-old, and I'm hide it from me, and I look up and tell me, you know.
So then baptize so young?
Let me tell all the people I move, brother. You know,
I hear when parents baptize kids, so I'm in a business who want it. I like it. I think the parents reach around 15, 16, and then now.
But by the time they get 16 and 17, the life change again, brother.
Come on, guys, like the video for me, the likes pour, give me some likes. I make me clear the air again. I don't know if you hear when I did say, when the man attack. I do not believe a parents must baptize a 8-year-old child. I don't believe in it. My son has said I will never baptize him. Make him get big enough and learn for himself. And at that, enough of our parents do. Yes, we are Christian, but no, we know you want your child to go in a Christian, but no force baptism upon them. Baptism a serious thing, guys. Because I believe in a one baptism. My father did take me and go baptize me. I tell him, say, no, do it, I'm not ready. And he still force anybody living in my house have to baptize me. He's a man of God. So I'm not a Christian today, but I'm a believer. So I turn back. Anyway, I can continue this story.
You can't force us something we don't know about, brother. So I try to say I shouldn't do that and thing and make it pay $200 at church offering. I say, yo, take your money buy sweetie, man. Save your money. He said, I tell you, say, just have a penny, I don't like while I keep a high thing so I find a penny. I file for still, you know. Feel like a penny, you know. File for so I file him now wait pan for make she go on. Fly out, you see me?
Agree with the filing?
Yeah, but she don't want to stay far and she want to stick go to school long. But you see me now, I'm a humble soldier and I say the thing what she require me give to her to a pitney. They say, I say, I want to sanction for nobody, you see me, car. You know, and you grow up and come say, daddy never this and daddy never that, you see me? I'm like, that I love me, I love her, so I put out everything in her, everything I have brother, I put her name on it, you see me? So she good, you see me? Because right now, every day she eat as she want to be a veterinarian and she want to hold a child with, what you call the school up at Kansas and Spring up on the golf course.
Queens?
No, the one that wear the white uniform. Immaculate. France, she look a pitney brother. France, she have 3-year-old. She said she want to go immaculate and she want to be a veterinarian. And she have over nearly 30 medals she win and run at school, brother. Pay for her she run. She's not ramping her relay. That's why I want to bring her a farm and get her out of the program, you know.
Wow, brilliant, man.
Yeah, man. She's a student at school, you know. She not talk patois, bro. She not talk patois either. She talk strictly English, yeah?
Prep school, that's all right.
Yeah, that's why I give the mother props to that still, you know, but I tell you, I take care, she cost me a lot of money, brother. Crazy money I spend for her. Come in on nobody to spend it for her, she. Come in on the girl, my money, I work hard for another day, man. I tell you the truth, you know, many come and can't get it, you know, so they run. I tell you the truth, because if your money done, none go come. I tell you, because when them can't say nothing, forget, but just when them come and they can't get it, they will go on and down, come try, they will keep trying. It's a China man teach me that, you know. Yeah, man, a China man said, ring gonna skip your money, man. You know, but then consider come, because so they done, they're not coming back. You know, but more find a real man, bro. I mean, it was a serious, I mean, I can't go and build road, boy. I mean, I lie to you. You see me? Because I mean, I don't front nobody, you know, brother. I have already, you know. I mean, I'm on a 5 friend me from 1980 until this year. I bring new people in my circle, you know, I just me, never no friend of farm. I live at Buffalo, and I just me alone youth. Everybody can say me do it. I say, because up at me never lucky in New York City, brother. I don't have me suffer. In Brooklyn. I don't have my family, I alone live with Pastor Bro. I alone. You see me?
Yeah, the baby mother have a good relationship, pertaining to your kids then.
Yeah, man, I not good with the youth, man, but she keep, you know, you know, that woman want to come back in your life and thing, and they make me a call and tell me she's sorry because she don't know what she do me. I say, yeah, for the woman who come and tell me, say, man is nothing, and that kill me in a day, man. How I spend some money on the woman, and the man have some more thing, I buy a car, give the man for 650,000. Everything I do for the woman, every time I go to Jamaica, I buy clothes to my pin, everything I buy for her. Of the panty. And your man say, man, is nothing, and she will grow me like a daughter for no respect, man, because man, nothing. And I said, no man say that to my brother, like, kill me, dear man. If you tell me, say, I'll grow my daughter, for that, so I say, you have a man to come text up on my pitney, brother. I say, I'm alive, what it now, brother, come here, grow for respect, man, because he's a man, you see me? If you be a Christian, I'm going to look at me and tell me that, brother, I say, man, I know nothing, bro. You don't know, man. Eh? You never know yourself. That you say, brother, go think again, man. Come on a foundation, you see me? Right. When you man got 7-day church, brother, you man stop style people, brother. Clear styling. So I say, see your friend, I tell your business much more.
You think I 7 day have something to do with it? I just on mine.
No, friend, I share keep man, alright. Now, sure, you see, no for the people about church, there's not no man in a day, man. And you go there, go tell them, so you be a father, buy your car, be a father, send what money come here every week, you get 40,000 a week and all them things there. They don't like fear that, brother, there's not no man around them, brother. Think about it. When I think about it, they want to try to bring you like them. And bring you down and see it, and I take it to her, stop telling a friend of your business and she not here. So they start telling her, pay a foolish stuff, everything with them tell her, it don't make no sense, you see me?
So
that's a good thing, man. When you say never good man to take care, you can't tell a friend, brother, because enough of them never a real man to take care of them. You see me, my grandmother grew up in a 7-day church, brother. My grandmother, she never get offered enough.
No, so yeah, we know you share a story still, but come like you have a vendetta against the 7 day more than me. Oh.
No, you know why? Because she robbed me, bro. Let me tell you, she tried to rob me because, let me tell you. You see, my grandmother, one time she got set with me in like 17 when I go when my grandmother come. My brother left my time in 1975 and I rode my growing nine. So you see when I come to town, when my grandmother got church, but I'm 14 when time I there with my grandmother. And my grandmother every Saturday she got church. I just on Saturday, nobody can get no money. Saturday 6 o'clock, Friday 6 o'clock, she don't take no money, no, you can't hand to her. Until 6 o'clock Saturday when our thing over as God to her. And every day that 2 months, I tell you, brother, when they got church, and I never see my grandma get through offering at church. My grandma, them keep a thing in harvest, and I tell me be a mother. So I never see no money. Then keep a thing in harvest, so them get the best fruits got church. You ever hear about it? The 70 people, them. And they sell it. Eh?
Never hear about it.
Yeah, man, that me grew up in a man a harvest, me see them keep on and then sell back if thing and see you remember them. Buy back the fruit, man. You see what, and the church where the money church where they get to the money get the church go to the money go to the church and the pastor. And you see we food left over. If people when have much, then share it to them like what the Bible say, brother. The Bible never say if you give money at church. Me switch out that Bible say if you give offering, bro. The Bible say share.
In our sense, still offering supposed to show in our church we can accommodate like all the light bill, drum set, music, some little activities where.
Yeah, but not it's true. Me traditional brother. Me share the thing If we go 10 commandments, Jesus Christ never collect the money.
Yeah,
and the traditional thing that tell about.
People used to just go up in our little bush and serve God. Now people have temple.
That's what I tell you.
Yeah.
That's what I tell you. So much of pastor man named Renai Bunky from Africa. That man I never keep him church. In a building, the man said, "Boy, I want to crowd the people of Africa, but a white man." The man said, "Boy, and I lad 10 things keep him church. And I never keep him church. Never collect a dollar pay a light bill." The man said, "So Jesus Christ, so we just keep him thing, brother." The man said, "When you look at the man, and the amount of people you see out there, brother, people tell you, it doesn't hear red eye bunky." I tell you, I'm the only man that used to sit with me in Jamaica. PMP ministry no pass me, bro. I'm not lie to you, the man is real.
Alright. We could cut it this then, guys. Alright, so when you hear, I don't want to get in on too much religious thing and but I have nothing against the church now, nobody believes, so you don't know. Anyway, maybe gonna like the video. Sometime when you don't have to like it for the persons in it. Just like it for the channel and share. Alright. Remember, if nobody want to donate to the channel, you may have my Zelle, may have a Cash App. Just check below, may I pin it, or you can reach out to me. Anyway, guys, I have this decent young man. He might work on one shipping. So I'm 37, I think. If I get the age wrong, you hear him correct it. But him say I want a nice lady work on the ship. In the all boat, and I see I want a nice, respectable lady. If she have a 1 child or maybe 2, he might take a chance. You understand? So I want a nice lady. So any lady I watch, if you have a daughter, I want to listen or him talk. Trust me, if I have a sister, I would set him up on her. But could drive and listen.
As I say, I'm still interested in that way to see him. You understand me? I say?
Yeah.
As I say, somebody we're serious when it's seriousness, we get to understand differently, the man said. It took get a nesting in a relationship. You don't know if I dead out or I don't know how I'm going towards it still.
And what I like for you as a young man, I like for a young man enhance and want the family structure there.
Yes.
For a young youth. I love that. I miss out our culture, bro.
Yeah, man, because I'm sure you're thinking about it. You see me, I 5 brother away,
Mm-hmm.
And if 5 brother away, I 1 mother, 1 father, we grew up with a mother and father.
Nice.
And the structure how my father deal with the thing.
Mm-hmm.
We deal with the thing on a principle level. You understand me? I say, we grow up good. I mean, say, we grew up in a church and to see things same way there. But actually, since we're big man, we don't really go to church so often again still, but as I sure say, we left that how we grow.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I say? Yeah, man, so, David 1 and 2, couple girls out there to see, man, we get to understand, say, it come like it's like it's a competition thing when I see no for a girl in it. It's like it's a woman versus man thing. Me see I go on. It's like the togetherness lost out of the black family.
Me see you send me one picture. Me see you send me one picture with some whole heap of Asian people, tongue all long out of head and which one of them are you?
Asian people, no man, I black cute and black one.
So me see whole heap of them. So me I whenever you there back there.
That's my team member.
So you send me. So me I wonder which one are you? I don't know if the brother there. You this. Black one. Okay.
Yeah. No, but it's not sure. It's true. So I do some picture where we did take. So me did send the one. I not even realize the one. Come here, but I want to see me.
Okay.
Yeah, different, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me say one other picture. Hold on. You can show people them on the show. So when you get some of them, man, I love how you talk as a big man, you know.
Yes. Yes, man. Joking thing, man. We not go grow, you know. No, me not getting the youth yet. I got to tell you straight. I'm not getting the youth yet still. Listen, I said. I see, but you never know, you know.
Which part you live? Which part over there you live?
No, I live overseas now. As I tell you, I work on a ship, but I live in Jamaica.
Oh, you work on the ship, but you live in Jamaica. Oh. So which part you want the woman come from? Because I don't want you to on the ship and the woman on the land and wait for you and you can't come. So talk to me.
Well, she can be same Canada, she can be America, she can be England, same way. You know, any one of them type of people the same way, you know.
Oh, you want overseas woman?
Yeah, any one of them, when we say we're dealing with the same way, you see, like overseas, you know, can be overseas the same way, any one of them.
What age woman you want?
When I say from 35 to 40, not them bracket. Or to 43 years, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but remember, you can't choose no old woman, because remember, you want a youth.
Yeah, man, from 35 to 40 something. You get me?
That's the right age.
Not them. Yeah, not them type of level, you know?
But remember, say no one, if you go look somebody in them 30s, chances are them have a child already, you know. Chances, not must, but chances are.
Yeah.
You understand?
You don't want to know, say.
So,
you know?
Yeah, so you know, so maybe you get a woman with and 2 pitney. You open to that?
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that still.
Ready for your stepfather?
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that still, man, you know?
Ready?
We just want no worry by you. Like that, you understand? Because most of the time, them think they kind of cause, you know, we see several of time when we see them think they cause problem. You get the man, so I don't really want a drama. You see, and make anybody we are link up, make them know this straight up. You see that drama game thing though, when we see everybody, I don't know if it turn them on when they create drama, I don't know why level, but we don't want them type of people in a thing. Yes, man. So them type of people where they on the drama. He's a youth, he's a peaceful youth and humble youth. We don't want to drama people in a
Somebody is asking on the line, oh, you can't find a woman on your job because only a nice lady there on it ship on them something there. Only a woman work and ship. What go on?
Yeah, but I work here, don't it?
So you never approach none of them yet, or you don't really want to approach them and then tell lies you assault them, then we're there.
You have to be wise.
You have to be wise. I understand, I understand.
You can't just run on and just tell lie on you.
Okay, me get where
you and then the most work indoor too. I really depend on front because
indoor you're there. Oh, I cook your cook. I cook your cook. So you know get to come out for see. So not even one Asian girl them could when I breed one a Chinese girl them.
Chinese girl them. And the people are different type of people from the ship, man. They're not really cross the race like that. So.
Hey, I know, man, I know, they're not cross the race. When you come on to, let me tell you, it's when you come on to Indian and Chinese, them two you said, them don't like cross. When the white, he take a little, the white, no love it too, but them he take a little chance more.
And some of them, and most of them kind of racist, you know?
Yeah.
It's a big racist thing upon it too.
Yeah, so
Indonesian, Filipino, and you know, it's like them not really.
Them not into black guy.
Yeah, them not really too much. Someone told them with the black guy.
Yeah, we get what I say. Most of them raised in a crossbreed, bro. And I like Caribbean people where we cross with Indian and get coolie pitney. Or a black man might some country and get a white man, and some people work with it and some don't work with it, you know. But them people, bro, if I be at them on the ship, you go cook. I used to talk to an Indian girl one time when I was young, and she said she can't carry mom go introduce me to her family. So I said, why? She said her granny not go like me. At the time, I don't understand why. But now I get bigger, I look and I say, oh.
You understand?
Yeah, granny now I carry on no nigga boy. Yeah, man, the whole time Indian people they strict.
You see all the man You see all the man them like the Indonesian man and the Filipino man them. If you once talk to all one girl, and all them see like y'all are reason, like you and the girl are reason too much, you then start then come beside the girl and then start talking in their language.
Oh, you don't know what she has said.
Yeah, when I tell them about the girl, I'm not to talk to you, I'm afraid that black man in them.
Because them fear is everybody big enough, because they don't have nobody in them pants. And that man. Yeah. But anyway, you could see you go on. Me enjoy a little chit chat with you. One of them day if you call in and show your experience as a Jamaican working on a ship, you know? And little thing that can open up people's eyes with some little things. Because over here learning channel, you know.
Yeah, I know them way, man. Know them way there. Yeah, see it. Yeah, man, give thanks to you, shout out to you, man. See it.
Alright, my boss. Big up yourself, man. I hope we get somebody for you.
Yeah, man, respect, man. See it.
Alright, cool.
I understand that. Blessed.
Yeah, man, for real.
I tell you time and time again, stop going to the courthouse and marrying to these citizens just because they have a citizenship to them. Just because they have a US birth paper, they have a US passport or a naturalization certificate. It means nothing if you get married to a citizen that doesn't meet the criteria to petition for you, the undocumented immigrant. I have a checklist in my bio of all the things you need to get from the male or the female citizen before you move forward into marriage. Why? When you get into these entanglement, kind of marriage, them I love an entanglement. When you get into the entanglement, you go get married, and then when it's time to get the documents, they refuse to give you. They have you in a chokehold and they manipulate and blackmail you and refuse to give you the documents. Some of these citizens, just like you immigrants, they work under the book. We used to work under the book. They work under the book as citizens too, because some of them do not uphold, the tax law. Some of them do not believe in paying taxes. Some of them hide from child support. So once they work on the book, then child support have the right to garnish their wage or literally go into their pay and withdraw that child support money issued to the mother or the father. So there are many reasons why a citizen will not file taxes. Common things I see happen when I talk to persons on private call. The US citizens haven't filed tax 50, 60, 70 years, 3, 4, 5 years ago. They have the W-2, but did they file it? No. And no man no love you so much. Me not ask you. Me tell you, say when you get married as an immigrant, when a citizen say yes to the dress in a less than 3 months, 2 months, 4 months, there is something in there for them. Marriage is not just but me and meet me and marriage, so you're an idiot. Every marriage is beneficial and me not stop say it. As much as the undocumented immigrant and them as the citizen, them now just get up for love, so I say them are married. It's something in it for them, whether another source of income in the household, companionship, warm food, housing, car. You'd be surprised the things that the citizens benefit from when they go into the marriage with you. Of course, bona fide love is involved, right? Because we're talking about bona fide marriage. Okay, so when you get married and you get married and the boy and file no tax, the girl never file no tax, you think you can happy and get a joint sponsor, but USCIS will require you to submit the taxes for these individuals. It is a must, whether it's below the poverty guideline or above the poverty guideline. Is a must that you submit the citizens tax papers. And when you can't do this, you end up the marriage shamble because you getting angry, agitated, so the marriage start to fall apart. What's gonna happen? You're gonna have to divorce. As a 25, 31-year-old, 40-year-old woman, you are divorced, you got married again. Less than 6 months, immigration have sense. Alright, fine, that don't work. You have the right to fall out of love and fall in love. The boy and a boy, the girl and girl, fine. Fall out and fall in again. Boop, you're there for your second marriage, you still never learn. Oh, this one is credible. I believe in me, love me. I met his mother, I met his sister. I have pictures with his kids at the park. Did you see his taxes? No. You see his birth paper? No. You have the naturalization? No. You have the social? No. Where my work? No. You don't know? No. Because you still didn't buy the checklist. You still didn't learn from the last one. Boop, you divorce again. Boop, you're married again. You see the pattern here? So stop showing up at the courthouse with these people all because they have citizenship on their name. And I saw it work, mama. You prove them a citizen. You get all the documents in your hand. Once they start move agitated and don't want to give you the documents, as a red flag, do not get married. There's a link in my bio. I do offer a personal call. There's a whole lot of things on my website that can help you as an immigrant. Call our office today if for anything immigration wise.
If someone made you work long hours, threatened you, or told you you'd be deported if you left, you need to know something. There's a visa that protects people just like you. It's called the T visa. It was made for people who have been forced to work or kept in a situation they couldn't leave, even if the mistreatment wasn't physical. If you're afraid to leave because of your immigration status, give us a call. There is protection available. Don't wait. Give us a call before it's too late.
Anyway, guys, my friend getting visa today and call me and tell me, say, boy, mix up, boss, I get my visa. Yeah, man, ain't getting visa, so he said, I visit USA and things. So he said, you see, I get my visa in a Trump administration. I said, I say, come on. I said, Trump have to do him, have to do. Trump not going to stop everybody from coming, man. You know, after I start, remember when he just start, guys, everybody did go. Now everybody does live their life and I do what them have to do. You see me? After I start, it must be a calm. I know people get deported, but deporting topic, at least America problem now. They have a whole heap of other issues that they try fix. Big up USA, big up Canada, England, everywhere, Jamaica. Alright? Tune in for the live show. I'm gone.